in our pork ribs, then mix. Let's cook with Miriam. We cook simple and easy Chinese and Filipino recipes. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hello everyone, today we're cooking steamed pork with black beans. So we have the pork ribs here. We have pork ribs with half fat and half meat, and then we have the ginger and the garlic and the red bell pepper, and this one our black beans. So first we will make the sauce. So I have this one, and I will put the black beans here, then put the garlic and the ginger together. Then I will make it mince. Okay, we will marinate our pork. We will put 1 teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of cornstarch, teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of light soy sauce. Put the sesame oil a little. Then mix well. In our pork ribs, then mix well until the black beans absorb to the pork, and all will have black beans. Okay, then we will put red pepper. We will put the red bell pepper, and then we will steam for 10 minutes. So mag-steam tayo ng ating pork ribs para hindi mag-dry at hindi matigas yung ating pork. Ay lalagyan nyo siya ng cling wrap or pang-cover. At heto na, nag-boil na ako ng water. Yan. I-steam natin siya ng 10 minutes. Okay, see you later.